wanted to do a little video on planting Achachairu. I used to worry about planting if it wasn't raining, but since we started making compost and using compost to grow seeds 3 years ago and switched over to a fermented compost system, meaning we don't turn it, we haven't had to worry about it. So we focus on the fungus in the soil, the fungi. And so this is seeds that I planted about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago of Achachairu in this pot all together. And there's weeds in there. This is growing in there. And I don't water my pots. And I just grow seeds in pots. That's all I do. And I try to plant them before 6 months of age. And usually during the drought period, and they're still green and alive after they haven't been watered in weeks and weeks and weeks. And I know that I can just cut the trees out individually from the potting mix, this right here, and with a machete, because it basically turns into like a cake. So you can just carve out individual trees and then plop those right in the ground. And I've already pre-cut some of them, and here's what it is. There's a little tree, there's the soil. And that looks like grassroots or something. Anyway, so that's all I do. Here's another one. This is like completely dry. See, it's like a piece of cake. It's like styrofoam light. And looks like there's 2 trees in there. There's a little one there. And then this one. But I'll show you. You can just pick this little tree up and it all stays together. That's a fungally dominant compost. Completely, the tree's survival is completely relying on the fungi in the compost for its survival and giving it water and nutrients. So the soil is wetter than the pot, so putting it in the ground and then putting a little zebu manure with it, it will be fine. Anyway, I just do the shovel into the ground and push it down behind the shovel, lift it out, and on to the next. Anyway, that's our little Achachairu seedlings. I just thought I'd share.